Why doesn't Django's Model.Save call full_clean? I'm just curious if anyone knows if there's good reason why Django's ORM doesn't call full_clean on a model, unless it is being saved as part of a model form. Note that full_clean will not be called automatically when you call your Model.Save method. You'll need to call it manually when you want to run one-step model validation for your own manually created models. Django's full clean doc. Note, quote updated for Django 1.6. Previous Django docs had a caveat about model forms as well. Are there good reasons why people wouldn't want this behavior? I think if you took the time to add validation to a model, you'd want that validation run every time the model is saved. I know how to get everything to work properly, I'm just looking for an explanation.
As far as I know, this is because of backwards compatibility. There are also problems with model forms with excluded fields, models with default values, pre_save, signals, etc. Sources you might be interested in. This URL.
Because of the compatibility considering, the auto-clean on save is not enabled in Django kernel. If we are starting a new project and want the default save method on model could clean automatically, we can use the following signal to do clean before every model was saved.
The simplest way to call the full_clean method is just to override the save method in your model.
Commenting on it, Alfred Wang's answer and comments on it. One might lock the pre_save hook down to an app by defining a list of classes in the current module, models.py, and checking against it in the pre_save hook.
Here's the video. This is all